Okay guys, we're at the starting level here. Oh guys, for me that's already pretty scary. Oh wow, we have a horse running by here. Pretty cool. Let's go around here. All right guys, we're gonna do another zip line here. Let's go. Woo. Okay guys, we have completed 2 levels. There are 5 levels in total, but I already know that level 4 is too much for me. I'm shaking from stress already. You know, the zip line, that's okay, I just sit and go. But when I have to be in control, that's so hard. So we're gonna go up here now, level 3. This goes all the way up there, and then there's always a zip line in the end. So we're gonna climb up here. We have to attach ourselves always. Actually, you have to do everything yourself. So the guys are there chilling, barely watching. Level 3, here we go. We have to start with this thing, and then on those things there, all the way up there. I'm trying just not to think here and just go. Okay guys, we just did this one. Very difficult, but so glad I did it. With some instructions from the guys here. They said that this was the most difficult one, so now we continue here. Alright guys, I finished level 3, and I honestly think that's gonna be the last one. Finish. We did like a series of 5 zip lines here. Some of them go very high and very fast as well, so I couldn't hold the camera. In the end I had to like grab a rope, otherwise I would go back to the middle and they had to come save me. But so cool. I completed 3 levels. 4 and 5 were too much for me. Let's change and go back down. I'm so happy I did that, guys. That's what life's about. You have to conquer your fears every time. Put another step. I'm not there yet. I didn't do the 2 hardest levels, but I'm so proud I did it until level 3. Definitely wouldn't have dared to do that before. I would have stopped, I would have frozen, and now I was like, I'm gonna do it. Stop thinking and start doing. You have to do everything yourself, so you're in control, which is also a bit scary because I'm afraid to do something wrong. I'm walking back now to the cable car to go back down from Mount Dajti. There we can see the Panorama Hotel. Here we have all the horses. So beautiful.